Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that can truly transform your English. Something simple, powerful, and life-changing. How to think in English and speak naturally. Many learners face the same problem. They understand English, they can read, they can listen. But when it's time to speak, they stop. Their mind becomes blank. They start translating. They feel slow, and slowly they lose confidence. But here is the reality. Fluent speakers don't translate. They think directly in English. And in today's video, I will guide you step by step with simple methods so you can train your brain to think in English and speak smoothly without fear. Everything will be easy to understand. So let's begin. Step 1. Stop translating. Start thinking in English. This is the most important step. Most learners follow this pattern. First, they think in their own language. Then they translate into English. Then they check grammar. Then they speak. This process is slow. That is why you hesitate. That is why you feel nervous. Your brain is overloaded. But fluent speakers don't do this. They think directly in English. Your goal is not just learning words. Your goal is to train your brain. Start small. Look around you and say simple sentences. This is my phone. I am sitting. The room is quiet. Talk to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself in English. I am walking. I am opening the door. I am drinking water. Don't worry about mistakes. Right now, fluency is more important than perfection. Use simple words. Repeat daily. Even 10 minutes practice can change your thinking pattern. Slowly, your brain will stop translating, and you will start thinking naturally in English. Step 2. Build simple sentences fast. Now you are thinking in English. Good. But thinking is not enough. You must train your mouth. Because speaking is not just mental, it is physical. Your tongue needs practice. Your voice needs practice. Start with short sentences. I am ready. I feel tired. I like this. I don't know. Use them in daily life. Repeat again and again. Repetition creates speed. Don't wait for perfect sentences. Speak whatever you can. Even broken English is okay. Because speaking improves speaking, not thinking. Try mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and speak. This builds confidence. Speak out loud, not in your mind, but with your voice. This is very important. Step 3. Use English in daily life. Now we go to the next level. Don't use English only when studying. Use it in your real life. From morning to night. Morning. I am waking up. I need to get ready. Afternoon. I am working. I am busy now. Evening. I feel tired. I need rest. Night. Today was a good day. This builds natural thinking. Describe everything around you. The weather is hot. There is a car outside. I see people walking. Ask yourself questions. What am I doing? What will I do next? Answer them in English. Even imagination helps. Imagine conversations. Imagine situations. Make English a habit, not a subject. Step 4. Learn phrases, not just words. This is where many learners make mistakes. They learn word by word, then try to create sentences. This is slow. Fluent speakers think in phrases. Not go, but go to the market. Not eat, but eat something now. Phrases are faster. They sound natural. Examples: I am getting ready. I will do it later. I don't feel well. Repeat phrases daily. Use them in real situations. Build your own phrase list. Start with 10 phrases, then increase slowly. Don't try to sound advanced. Simple phrases are powerful. Step 5. Speak out loud every day. This is a game changer. If you don't speak, you won't improve. Reading is not enough. Listening is not enough. You must speak, even alone. Talk during daily activities. I am making tea. I am cleaning my room. I am going outside. Speak what you see. Speak what you feel. Speak your plans. Repeat sentences many times. At first, it feels difficult. Then it becomes easy. Then automatic. Don't fear mistakes. Silence is more dangerous than mistakes. Speak slowly, but speak clearly. Daily practice equals real improvement. Step 6. Listen and copy real English. Now, input is important. You cannot speak well if you don't listen well. Listen to simple English daily. But don't just listen. Copy. This is called shadowing. Listen, arrow, pause, arrow, repeat. Copy tone. Copy speed. Copy pronunciation. Start with short content. Repeat many times. Train your ears, because strong listening equals strong speaking. Step 7. Practice real conversations. This is the final step. Speaking alone is good, but real conversation is different. In real life, you must respond fast. Start simple. Ask yourself questions. What are you doing? Where are you going? How do you feel? Answer quickly. Keep answers short. I am studying. I am going out. I feel good. Practice daily. Imagine real situations. Try speaking with others if possible. Don't translate. Respond directly. Speed matters more than perfection. Final message. If you keep translating, you will always speak slowly. If you start thinking in English, you will speak naturally. Start small. Speak daily. Repeat again and again. Because the moment you start thinking in English, your real fluency begins.